Here we have the Mill Street Railroad crossing here in Festus, Missouri. The first signal here, we have a Modern Industries cantilever. On the mast, we have two pairs of USNS W24-inch lights with general signals LEDs in them, which is uncommon for BNSF. There's the emergency information. The dot number is 663884P. The overhead lights are more USNS W24-inch lights with general signals LEDs in them. And the weather today is really nice. It's like 60 degrees out here. On the gate mast, we have a USNS base, USNS Model 95 gate mechanism. We have more USNS W24-inch lights with general signals LEDs. Gate is the newer striping with 4-inch Rico LEDs. Bell on the signals, the general signals Type 2 eval. This is on the BNSF River sub. That way is facing north towards St. Louis. That way is facing south towards St. Genevieve, Cape Girardeau, Sykeston, and eventually Memphis, Tennessee, where it joins the Thayer South sub. This line does have ATCS. Relay, there's the relay bungalow in the southwest quadrant. And I'm gonna go across the tracks and cross the street without getting ran over by a car. There's currently no trains because all the signals are off. And wait for this car to come by. Got a few cars coming. Oh, he's turning. But she's not paying attention. Got another car coming. This is a busy road. Got a lot of cars coming. Hope I can cross the road. People ever let me cross. Got hurried and ran across without getting ran over. Here's the second side, the other side. Second cantilever and gate mast. It's the exact same as the first, but without a bell. We have another Modern Industries cantilever. On this signal, we have Harman 12x24-inch lights with general signals LEDs. Overheads are also Harman 12x24-inchers with general signals LEDs. There's the emergency information. Brand new gate on this signal with the gate of the newer striping with 4-inch Rico LEDs. USNS base, USNS Model 95 gate mechanism. We have USNS 12x24-inch lights with more general signals LEDs in them. So here we have the Mill Street grade crossing here in Festus, Missouri. Over and out.